everyone, hope you all are doing well and healthy. So myself Asma. So today the topic that I am going to talk about is the initial stage of an YouTuber. So yeah, the initial stages are always crucial and at the same time confusing too. For example, when I have started my channels, I didn't know what kind of content should I post. I used to talk with my friends and some of my relatives that what should I post, because at that time I wanted to be in that YouTube. I wanted to post something so desperately that I forget to realize that what should be my content. It shouldn't be anything that I will go ask my friends and they will suggest to me do this and that and I will eventually go for it. No, that's not how you should do it. You have to listen to yourself rather than your surroundings. Ask yourself what you are good at. Maybe you are good at painting, maybe you are good at dancing or something else. But your friends or your relative might not understand your hidden talent and they will end up saying that do dancing because nowadays everyone is dancing YouTube and they are getting likes, million of subscribers, this and that. But no, that's not where your talent lies. It may be in somewhere else. So rather than asking your friends, ask yourself. Ask yourself what is that specialty in you that you should serve to people. What is that one thing that is still hidden and you want to take it out? So yes, the initial stages are indeed very confusing. So when I first started, I used to post some random things. For example, my hobby is singing. So sometimes I used to sing some song and then crafting things and that. Then with the passing time, I realized that I have so much to say, so much to talk about some specific topics. I wanted people to listen to my voice. And at the first time, I was so much engrossed in liking and subscription that I forget that I should actually give some valuable content rather than asking randoms to give like and subscription. Maybe they will not like my content. Maybe they are not into the field that I am doing. Maybe they are into something different. So it's usual that people will not just like and subscribe to your channel because just you requested. Because that's the human thing. If someone is dancing and that is not my liking, I will obviously will not go for that. That's obvious. To feel bad about less liking is also obvious. But at the same time, we can also stay positive. For example, maybe there will be one like. So we can think in that way that maybe there is one person waiting for you to hear your voice. Maybe there is one particular person wanted to listen to your voice, who maybe values your content, who maybe think you as an influencer, who maybe wanted to adapt your habit, your lifestyle. So but one particular person, don't lose your consistency, don't lose focus, don't lose confidence. Don't look at others that they are getting more likes in comparison to me, because your comparison or your challenge is not with others but with you only. You are doing better than what you were in the last couple days or years. So always compare it with yourself. Just because of you are getting less likes or less subscribers, do not feel that your content holds no value. Maybe you should just enter to some different world, maybe into dancing, maybe into singing. But no, maybe that's not what you wanted to offer to the audience. Maybe your liking or your attitude lies somewhere else. So better losing your focus onto that little likes, go with some other things which really helps you, where you really feel that you wanted to say this much and there will be at least one audience who will be valuing your effort, your content. So the people who are falling into this criteria will obviously come to you. So that's all for today. Do not feel bad about less likes or subscribers. Soon you will get when you will be able to understand your value and people will understand your value. And people from that specific field will surely reach to you one day. So that's all for today. Stay healthy and we will soon meet you. See you.